Hey there YouTube, it's the Daily Driver here. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your old tail light with a new tail light. And this is my 96 4Runner here, and it's going to be a quick video, straightforward, and I'm going to get straight to the point with you on showing you how to take it out and install the new one. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the great thing is that for this job, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So to get this started, you have to open the trunk, of course, and then there's going to be two screws that I have to take out of here. There's one here and one here. So we'll go ahead and pull these out. Okay. And unfortunately, I don't have a screwdriver with a magnetic tip to it, so it makes it a little more difficult, but I'm going to go ahead and pull out the second one. Here's the second screw. Now, if you look at the new headlight assembly here, it actually has these two rivet things here. So when you look at it like this, you can't just pull it straight out. So what you need to do, punch it from the side, and it pops right out like that. And you can see back here, you got your connections for your light bulbs and all. So we're going to go ahead and pull those out right now. Okay, so to pull out the light bulbs on the headlight assembly, what you're going to need to do is just go ahead and twist it the opposite way of where it says lock, and just pull the bulb on out. Do the same thing for the other ones. There's two, boom, there's three. And then if you look, there's actually a little thing here that holds the wires together. So we're just going to pull that out. And then there's another one down here that's holding these wires, so we're just going to go ahead and pull this out. It gets kind of stuck there, so I'm going to grab all the wires and pull them out like such. And so now we have the old tail light assembly out. We're going to go ahead and install the new one, so let's do that right now. Okay, and now for installing the new headlight assembly, what I'm going to do here is I have the three bulbs hanging here. This one is the top one. This is the middle one right here, and then the bottom one. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wiring here, and I'm going to put these wires through this little rivet here so they kind of hold in place. So I'm going to go ahead, stick them in there as such, and you can actually use the screwdriver even to push the wires in, and that makes it a lot easier on you. So now that I got that in, before I put any of the light bulbs in, I just like to make sure that I got all the wires in the right place here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this wire right there into that position. Now you can see here I have all three bulbs lined up right here, top, middle, bottom. So I'll just start with the bottom. I'm going to go ahead, push this light on in, get it to where it fits there, and then do just one little twist, and it shows you actually the direction you need to lock that. So it's very easy and straightforward. Then you have your second bulb here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here like so. Go ahead and twist it, lock it into place. Third bulb, go ahead and push it in there, twist it, lock it into place. Now for installing this, again, you see we got these things here. We need to make sure that we stick those into place on this side. So what I'm going to do is come here, just line it up. I'm just going to line it up on this side, and then once I have those two rivets in their spots, just kind of push it in like that. And then if you see here, there's actually, for where the little for where the screws go, just want to make sure that you got the holes lined up properly, and then go ahead and put the screws in. Go ahead and tighten these down. Let's see if I can get this here. So go ahead and screw that in like so. Got the first one. Didn't tighten it down all the way. I just want to make sure I got both of them properly lined up before I start screwing them down in place. So make sure I got this top one in place. And I'm going to screw it down tight now because I've got it properly fitted. You don't have to overly tighten these screws, just enough to where they're just firmly tight. And just finish tightening up the bottom there. And it's done. Voila. Last thing I want to do is just check the tail lights to make sure that they're working in the back here. So I'm going to go ahead and press the brakes just to make sure that everything's working as it should. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's as simple as that to take out your old beat up tail light and replace it with a nice new tail light housing. And all it took is a screwdriver and 2 screws to get the job done. Thank you for watching, and if you can, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. And again, till next time.